When the earth was young, everything was hot, dark, and lifeless. Slowly, rain filled the land, forming the first vast oceans. These oceans became the very first home of life on our planet. Scientists believe life began deep in these waters, where sunlight was weak and volcanic heat warmed the seas. Tiny, single-celled organisms appeared, delicate yet remarkable in their ability to survive and reproduce. Over time, these simple cells combined and evolved into more complex forms. Some learned to absorb sunlight, starting the first process of photosynthesis, which released oxygen into the air. In the safety of the oceans, life continued to grow. Simple algae, jelly-like creatures, and the earliest animals emerged, slowly building the foundation for all living things. From these humble beginnings in the deep blue seas, life on Earth began its incredible journey, a journey that would eventually reach every corner of the world. The story of life started in the ocean, and from there, everything we see today began to take shape.